Michelle here, and thank you for joining me. I'm going to show you guys how to make your very own 3 Billy Goats Gruff craft so that way you can retell the story or come up with your own. Let's get to it. Hello everyone. So I'm going to show you guys how to make your 3 Billy Goats Gruff. We're going to use crayons, scissors, and glue. You'll have your sheet with your characters on it. And you'll have your other sheet to draw your river and like little grass fields. So first, what we're going to do is we're going to color our goats. Doesn't matter what kind of color you use or what colors you use. So now that my goats are all colored, what I'm going to do is cut them out. Cut out the goats and the bridge and the troll. There, since I now have everything cut out, I've got my 3 goats, my bridge troll, and I've got my bridge. I'm going to set those to the side so that way I can work on the piece underneath. Don't want to draw on top of our goats. So, put those off to the side. And I'll have my blank piece of cardstock, and I will use blue to draw my stream. If you want to have fun with it and make a different color stream, go right ahead. I'm going to draw my nice little river stream onto my cardstock. I like to make it kind of squiggly. And then you'll just go ahead and fill it in. So now that my stream's filled in, I'm going to take the green and I'm going to draw some grass. You can either color the whole thing if you want first. I'm going to draw little blades of grass just to add something to it. Bunch of different little, kind of like check marks or V's. Alright, now that my grass is all filled in, I'm gonna take the glue. It's time to glue things. So I'm going to take the bridge first to glue. And I'm going to fold the edges so that way the bridge will kind of pop up off of the paper. So that way when you're done, your little goats can stand on the bridge. So I'll fold the ends that I'm going to glue. And then I'll kind of measure out, see where I want to put my bridge. You can see how far apart you want the ends to be or how close you want them to be. It's your bridge. You decide where you want to put it. So I'm going to put just a little bit of glue. Don't need too much glue. A little bit. Right on the edge. And I'll press it down so it will stick good to my paper. And you can use liquid glue or stick glue, whatever you have at home. And then I'll see where I want the other end to be. Might have to crease it so that way it'll stand up a little better before you glue the other side. Do a little bit of glue on this side. Not too much. Fold it just a bit so I get a nice crease so it'll stand up. Now you can leave your bridge like this if you want. You can fold it some more. But there you've got your bridge. And your bridge troll lives under your bridge. So you can lay him down or you can fold him in half to stand him up. And I'm going to take my little goats and I'm going to put a little crease in them. Fold them in half so that way they'll stand up right next to the bridge. Now what you can also do is pick like a couple planks up and fold your bridge so that way there'll be a flat part. You don't have to crease it too much, just enough so that way the top piece will be flat and you can stand your goats and your troll up on it and retell the story of the 3 Billy Goats Gruff. So now I've got it flat and my goat will stand on top. And I can fold our troll and put him up as well. And that is how you make your 3 Billy Goats Gruff. Enjoy!